Apricot chutney channa chat recipe. 1 cup soaked dry apricot. 1 teaspoon salt as per taste. 1 cup sugar. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. Cook until bring it to boil. Blend together. Let it cool and set aside. Add 1 cup boiled chickpeas. 2 medium potatoes boiled and cut into cubes. 1 medium chopped onion. 1 carrot julian. 1 beetroot chukander cut into julian. 2 tablespoon mint leaves. 1 medium tomater chopped. Add 1 cup apricot chutney. 1 teaspoon khat masala as per taste. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoon apricot chutney. Apricot chutney channa chat is ready. Imli khate meethi channa chat recipe. Add 1 cup boiled chickpeas. 2 medium potatoes boil and cut into cubes. 1 cucumber chopped. 1 medium tomater chopped. 1 medium onion chopped. Imli khatemeethi chutney 2 tablespoon. Green chutney 1 tablespoon. 3 tablespoon yogurt. Add 1 tablespoon chaat masala. Mix well. First layer aloo channa. Masala lays. Second layer imli khatemeethi chutney. Add yogurt for tablespoon. Third layer aloo channa chat. Yogurt 5 tablespoon. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video.